That looks incredible. And it's very freeing too. It's very breathable. Good job to the graphic designers. They did amazing. They did really well.
Feels the wizard with the DTF we're minted. Switched up the game from screen, we ain't standing. Transfer superstars with the fabric we imprinted. Transfer superstars, yeah, we 10x yours.
Hello everyone, today's tutorial is about using color range and adding some effects in Photoshop. The design we'll be using today is the Sagaht character from Street Fighter. We'll be applying color range techniques and preparing it for printing, especially for DTF printing. Before we start, let's have a little background on what color range in Photoshop is. In simple words, color range is a tool that allows you to select and isolate specific colors in an image. This is useful for making precise adjustments or edits to certain areas of your design based on their color. It helps in creating selections that are not possible with other tools, making it easier to work with complex images. And now that we're done with the introduction, let's start our tutorial. For the first step, let's open our Sagaht image in Photoshop. Then let's create our background image, which we'll use later. I prefer a dark color for the background to contrast with our design. For the next step, go to Select and click on Color Range. In the Color Range dialog box, use the eyedropper tool to click on the color you want to select. For this image, you might want to start with the red splashes. Adjust the fuzziness slider to increase or decrease the range of colors selected. Higher fuzziness means a broader range of colors will be selected. You can add to your selection by using the eyedropper plus tool and clicking on other areas of the image with similar colors. Click OK to create the selection. Next step is creating a new layer from the selection. With your selection active, press Ctrl plus J, Command plus J on Mac to copy the selected area to a new layer. Now you have a new layer with just the selected colors. After this, repeat the process for the other colors in our design. And for applying effects to the selected area, make sure the new layer is selected. Go to Layer, then Layer Style, then select Blending Options. Apply any desired effects such as Color Overlay, Gradient Overlay, or Outer Glow. Experiment with different settings to achieve the look you want. For additional adjustments of the layers, make sure the chosen layer is selected. You can apply adjustments such as hue, saturation, levels, or curves by going to Image and then Adjustments. Make your adjustments to enhance the overall look of the image. Using the Color Range tool in Photoshop allows you to isolate and edit specific colors in your image. This can be especially useful for creating striking effects and preparing your design for printing. Feel free to adjust the steps according to your specific needs and experiment with different effects to achieve your desired outcome. Don't forget to save your design as a PNG because PNG files support transparent backgrounds, which can be especially useful for various design purposes, particularly for DTF printing. And now our Sagaht design is ready.
Hey superstars, I'm excited to share some fantastic updates from our website that will actually transform how you order and design your prints. We've always focused on efficiency and ease, and to continue that tradition, we're introducing a brand new auto build tool on our Gang Sheet Builder site. This tool is a game changer from our creative customers who want control over the designs, really quick inputs for their easy arrangement. With this new feature, you can customize your gang sheets exactly the way you want it, as quickly as you like. All right, we got our Sagaht design. Let's take a closer look at it. All right, it looks really, really good. You could tell they knocked out a lot. Very, very lightweight. It doesn't have a lot to this print, but it's showing a lot already. So I'm liking this a lot. Going to measure how long we have this print. 11 by 9. So this one's a pretty good, decent sized print. And yeah, let's get started. For our blanks, we got our medium black shirt. It is a Bella Canvas 3001 model number. If you guys are interested, we'll leave a link in the description below. And for our heat press, we have our Heatmaster Prisma. It's been a fan favorite for all our videos, so why stop now? Has a 16x20 layout and a 10-inch pullout, and it has threading capabilities. Screen printers, you know. It makes it easy for any type of project, so let's get started. And let's just say you don't have a laser system at home, it doesn't matter. You can even use your fingers too as well. You can press this anywhere, but this is just properly aligned right towards the center of the chest. So, all right, let's get ready. After that, since we do have small pieces of graphic, we are going to make this set just for 15 seconds. If you get more solid pieces, they'll be fine. That's why it's more of a hot and cold peel. You could also use a microfiber cloth. Make sure everything adheres onto the graphic. Now we're just gonna put the matte finish on. That looks incredible. And it's very freeing too. It's very breathable. They did really well. Good job to the graphic designers. They did amazing. Awesome. All right, guys, we showed you how to do this color range with the black knockout effect on the Sagaht character, which made it perfect for DTF. So we printed it out and then slapped it on a Bella canvas. And honestly, I could definitely see this in retail stores. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. And if you guys are looking for a DTF supplier or just trying to replace your existing one, definitely give us a shot. We'll love to earn your business. All right, well, that's it for me for now, guys. If you saw value in this video, please like and subscribe. If you guys want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below. Peace.